Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up alarm for your HomePod mini using your voice to just tell Siri to set it up. So let's try that. Hey Siri, can you set up alarm for 11:47?
I set your alarm for 11:47.
So now we just need to wait for 11:47 and then the alarm should start ringing. And now we just need to press on the device to make it stop, like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.